Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making this beautiful, very simple and elegant hairstyle. It's very easy to make and it's very easy to follow along. So let's start with the partition. I did 8 to 8 partition and made a ponytail. I have a big section on the middle, and on the front I had side parting at the moment, but I'm gonna do middle parting. So at the moment I'm attaching crisscross pins. You know my method is for the security, and after that I'm gonna attach a hair bun. So I'm attaching here the donut padding. You can attach whatever padding you have, or if you know how to make your padding. Otherwise I have a video available in my channel where you can watch how to make the hair padding by yourself. So as you can see, I'm attaching the padding and you're gonna secure it, and after that you're gonna cover your hair padding or hair donut with the hair. So take your time on that because it's very sleek hairstyle. I'm trying to show you that you can make it very neat as well. Obviously I don't spend that much time on my hair dummies, but obviously when you're doing to your client, you can take your time and make it very nice and smooth. So now we have to cover the donut with the hair. So when you're applying the donut, make sure that you're applying the donut the color of the hair. So you can get hair donut in blonde color as well, brown and black as well. And if you're making your own hair padding, you can choose the hair or synthetic hair which you're making padding with, similar to the hair color of your client. So obviously then it's more easier for you to cover the hair, and it's not going to show up as much as my brown donut is showing. For my purpose of using a brown color donut is that you can see where I'm placing the donut, how I'm placing, because it's easier to see dark color on a lighter hair. But when you're doing on your client, if you're using the same color hair piece or hair donut, it's more easier for you to hide that donut. So next step is to take about 2 to 3 inch section, and we're gonna start working on that section. So we're gonna take bobby pins and we're gonna start crisscrossing where we're gonna attach our poof padding. So because this hairstyle, if you see the picture before, we have a middle poof. You can make it very high as well, or you can make it a medium as I did. So take your hair padding now and you can roll the hair padding with this hair, and you can start attaching the hair padding. Because you have the crisscross pins, it's going to be very easy attached, and it's going to be very secure. So if you're thinking the height is a little bit less, you can attach more padding, or you can push the puff a little bit more up. Take the remaining hair and you're going to smooth them over. You can do a little bit of back combing if you want to, but I don't think so you need to do that much back combing because you already have the padding. I always try to avoid back combing because that's damage your hair. Do as much less you can do, and you can smooth that over. Take your serum, do it extra smooth if your client requires that. When you're making your hairstyle, take all the section when you're doing them, make sure you finish that section and then go to next. For example, I smooth the hair over and I will make sure that I tuck them away before I go into the front part. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take about half of the front hair. I think I'm taking from eyebrow arch to up. We're gonna smooth them over and put them on side, but we're not attaching the pin yet because we're gonna see how much we need to take from the both side. I was trying to think to do all of them together, but I didn't like the way I was doing it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do same section here I did on the other side, and I'm gonna smooth that over on the back as well. Now when I'm happy with that decision, I'm gonna start securing them. After finishing the back section, we're gonna start the first front parting now, and I'm going to make a S wave. So I will do a little bit of back combing for the height, and I want to maintain that height. So make sure when you're doing the back combing, spray it very well with the extra hard spray, and it will stay like this. Make sure you smooth it out. Take your time the shape you want to achieve. I actually use hair clips and other pins to secure this. You can use U-pin as well. As you can see, I'm using extra hot spray. It's in gel form. It's from Sally Salon Services. I know a lot of people gonna ask, is their basic range. It's very cheap, but it does the job. I will continue with this wave pattern with the remaining hair as much I can. Take your time with this. Make sure your hair is smooth, especially the ends. They are quite rough with my dummy, and with some clients as well, they have the split ends. And we're nearly done with our hairstyle, so we're gonna start accessorize. You can choose totally different thing for accessorizing. This is just my take on this hairstyle. Make sure before securing or putting anything on, you have this hairspray very well and it's secure. I'm accessorizing this hairstyle with this beautiful kundan pasa. It's from my online store Kohinoor Jewls. I will put a link in the description bar for you if you're interested. We have a lot of sale going on at the moment. I'm attaching this. You can take your time with this. You can use U-pin, Jura pin. If you want to extra security, you can use thread method as well, which I have in my previous video. And I'm gonna start attaching earrings and just accessorizing the hairstyle how I like it. I don't want to do it too much because it's a very beautiful and elegant hairstyle. I want to show as much hairstyle I can. All the information about the product, about my hair mannequin, about the jewelry, all link will be provided in my description bar. And don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you can get my latest post notification. Follow me on Instagram. If you have any suggestion or if you want to see any hairstyle, send me a picture and I will try my best to make it for you guys. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully you enjoy this hairstyle. Take care.